So I'm already logged into the ASTM and I've got Wizards, VPN Wizards, IPSEC or IKV1, Remote Access VPN. We're terminating on the outside interface and we want to bypass ACL, so just click Next, tick Microsoft Windows Client, tick MSChap version 2 and untick all the other options. Next. Enter a Appreciate key that you will also enter in your Windows client. Here I'm just using 1 to 9 and 0. Next. I'm going to authenticate using the local user database on the Cisco ASA. So I'm going to create a test user account and password that I'm going to use to test once we've set up. Add that in and click Next. Now I'm going to create a new DHCP pool for my remote clients. I'm going to call it L2TP pool. And I'm going to use 192.168.198.1 to 192.168.198.254, and I'm going to give it a 24-bit subnet mask. Click OK and click Next. Now I need to let my remote clients know what my internal DNS is and what my internal domain name is. And click Next. I'm going to untick Use PFS, and then I am going to add in my inside networks because I want to enable split tunneling to all my inside networks, and then tick Enable Split Tunneling. If you don't do it in that order, you'll get an error. Click Next, quick review, click Finish, and finally you would go and save your changes by click File, Save Running Configuration to Flash. In my test network I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to jump across onto my Windows 10 client and I'm going to configure that. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, VPN, add a VPN connection. For VPN provider, select Windows built-in. Connection name can be anything, just a sensible name, like connect to the office or connect to work or the name of your business or whatever. Then the external IP address or public name of your ASA on the test network. Here obviously I'm using private addresses. VPN type, you want L2TP stroke IPSEC with Appreciate key, and then you need to enter the Appreciate key that we entered earlier into the file. Remember, mine's 1 to 9 and 0. You might want to untick the one at the bottom if you don't want it to remember your sign-in details. And there's my connection there. Now before we can use it, I just want to make a quick change to it. If I open network settings, which is ncpa.cpl, and hit enter, you will see there it is there on my network connections. If I just right click and open the properties of that, and on the security tab tick allow these protocols and then tick Microsoft Chap version 2. It should already be automatically tick itself, but just click OK. Then you can connect your VPN, and all being well it should prompt you for your username and password that you set up in the local database on the Cisco ASA earlier. Click OK, and we're connected. Now just to make sure that it's actually working, I'm going to ping the DNS server which is on the LAN behind the ASA. If you remember, that's 192.168.110.10. Providing we get a reply, yep, we're connected to the VPN. I'm just going to disconnect that now. And you can also bring this up from the network connections panel that we had up earlier. If you remember, ncpa.cpl. I always remember these because they work on every version of Windows, and no matter how much they change the GUI front end, you can still get to where you want to be if you remember ncpa.cpl. And because we had it ticked to remember our credentials, that will simply connect. That's your VPN on, connected and configured. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to visit us at www.petenetlive.com.